Okay, this video is to remind you how to factor when you have a quadratic trinomial and your a value is not 1, nor do you have a greatest common factor. So 2, 1, and the -3 have nothing in common, so we can't factor that out. So we did that factoring trick earlier this year. So you bring down your x squared and your b term. Then remember, you multiply your 2 and your 3, and that's going to become your new c. So 2 times -3 is going to be -6. Then this is something that we can factor, right? So you have to think what multiplies to make this and what adds to make this, or subtracts really, but adds with negatives. So what are things that multiply to make -6? We've got 1 and -6, -1 and 6, 2 and -3, -2 and 3. Which one of those combinations added together would give us a +1? This one here. So our factors are going to be x minus 2 times x plus 3. Now, here's the catch though, is that earlier we multiplied our c value by our a by 2. So we have to undo that multiplication in essence. So we're going to divide each of our factors by that 2 to undo what we did earlier. Then we're going to simplify. So this 2 divided by 2 is going to become a 1. And then this one does not simplify. Sorry, Caroline. So this 2 is just going to become our coefficient here. So that'd be 2x plus 3. And that is your fully factored form. Now, if it asked you to go on and solve, you would set each one of your factors equal to 0. And then you would solve those linear equations. So here we'd add 1. We would get x equals 1. Then here we would subtract 3. Divide by 2. And x would be -3/2. Okay, so just a little review on factoring, and then I went into solving as well. All right, let me know if you guys have more questions.